Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this whole operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, the screen does not respond to your touches and you cannot do anything. You can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough until we will see the black screen, the developer's logo, etc. So let me press the power button. We have to ignore everything. As you can see, we've got this reboot option, but let's ignore it. We cannot tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the black screen. We've got also the developer's logo. I can release the finger, release the button, and from now on we have to wait because the device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.